Hey everyone, I'm Sue Daley and I'm back this week with the Speke Hall Sew Along. So we're up to week 6. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and like so that next week you'll get the notification when we download the video onto YouTube. So, and then you'll be ready to start as soon as we do it. So week 6, it's getting along, isn't it? It's halfway through. This is up on the wall here. So again, it's just more rectangles and squares, half square triangles. I don't know whether you guys use the Alphabities or Alphabities. I call them Alphabities. These little packets of numbers and letters, just so that I know that this is 6. So when I'm going to put it all together, I know that I'm working on block 6. And so this is the layout. This is, again, I've done my half square triangles first, and then I've just laid it all out on my design board. And then remember, in my early video I showed you how to glue it and then sew it. So what happened this week was I couldn't find my glue and I was sewing them, and I sewed them back to front, and you know. So just do whatever suits you, whether you pin or whether you glue, but I need to glue it because by the time I get from here to here, I turn the thing around in my hand and then I'm sewing up the wrong seam and then I'm unpicking, and it can be ugly. So here we are laid out here. Over here we're sewing it in rows, so that's the top row, and piece them together and then sew them together here. The third row, it's all sewn. The fourth row, you've got your little, so make up the little square first, sew it to the other square, and then the last row. This is like a little flying geese block, this one here. And then just sew top to the next one, to the next one, and of course to the bottom. You know, it's all it's, you know, there's quite a bit of work in this quilt, but it is easy and it will come together and you'll be so proud of it when you're done. So I hope you're enjoying it. Don't forget to, you know, send us some comments or ask us some questions, and you know, we'll get back to you with those questions. But most of all, send us your progress shots, and we'd love to see them. So I'll see you next week when we'll be up to block 7.